It's time for the battle of the apple pies. We've got the 7-Eleven fried apple pie versus the McDonald's classic apple pie. Which is going to be the best? We're going to check them both out right now. Let's get ready. Let's get ready to rumble. All right, this is the classic apple pie from McDonald's. Everybody loves this. And it's baked, by the way, baked, as opposed to the 7-Eleven one, I believe, is a fried apple pie. I could be wrong. I don't know, but let's check them out. Here it is. McDonald's classic baked apple pie. Voila. There it is. And here is the 7-Eleven apple pie. Okay, let's compare. Which one looks better? Well, I gotta say the McDonald's one's looking pretty good because, you know, it's got the pieces of apple. You can see pieces of apple right there. That's an attractive thing. This one is just fried dough. All right, it's just basically the fried part of it. Now this one's got a lot of cinnamon on it. It's cinnamon sugared up the wazoo. Right? Check out all that cinnamon going on here compared to this guy. This one doesn't seem to have much. It's probably built into that little apple saucy stuff there. All right, let's get into it and try it. Here we go. All right, let's try the hot apple pie from 7-Eleven. Wow. Wow. That nice crispy shell, plus it's got tons of apples in there. Wow. That's surprisingly good. Hot apple pie at 7-Eleven. Yes, 7-Eleven. McDonald's hot apple pie. Wow. That's good too. These are both good. These are both really good. Wow. I love the fact there's just so much real fruit in there. They're really both phenomenal. Wow. So this is super crispy and full of cinnamon apple flavor. This one is baked, so it's not going to be as crispy, and it doesn't have as much, anywhere near as much cinnamon as the 7-Eleven version. That's pretty good too. I gotta tell you, I like them. I like them both. This is really good. I mean, it is so much better than I thought it was going to be. Basically, I had zero expectations, so anything better than a 1 is a fantastic improvement. But it is so good. It's so full of cinnamon, so crispy on the outside, and so yummy on the inside, and warm and hot and appley. A little bit of apple just landed on my palm, and it basically burned a hole right through it. I have a hole in my palm right now. All right, so the battle between these two, man, this is a tough one because I really love the classic baked apple pie at McDonald's. I love it. The McDonald's one is really good, and the 7-Eleven one is good too. Which one is better? You have to buy. So this is $1.19 for one. This one you have to buy in pairs. They're about $2.50 for a pair. So comparably priced, but you don't have to buy two. Here you only have to buy one. But I got to tell you, assuming that they're equally healthy or unhealthy, I assume nothing about nutrition, I am going to give the win to this one. This one is just really good. You know, it's fried. I'm sure that's why it tastes better. But the crispy outside shell and that hot apple inside. You hear that? Plus all that cinnamon on the outside, and it's just the winner. This is a good second place, but this is the winner. All right, guys, let me know what you think is the best apple pie out there. I'm giving the win today to 7-Eleven. That's right, 7-Eleven. All right, guys, we'll see you on the next Center News. Later, Gator.
Hey, it's over. Go home. But before you do, if you'd like to see our next video, like and subscribe and click the little bell notification on YouTube, or like and follow on Facebook. Now, go home.